In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new website in Hostinger. Whether you're setting up your first site or expanding your online presence, this guide will walk you through the simple steps needed to get started with your new website on Hostinger. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, let's start by heading to Hostinger's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Hostinger URL, or simply click the link you have. Hostinger is known for making the process of bringing your ideas online straightforward and efficient, so rest assured it's a great choice for your website needs. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, you'll need to log in. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. The process is quick, and as a registered user you'll have access to all the necessary tools to build your website efficiently. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger control panel, commonly referred to as the H panel. It's designed to be user friendly, offering easy navigation to manage your websites. At this point you might want to explore the dashboard a bit to familiarize yourself with its features, but let's keep our eyes on the prize and proceed with adding that new website. Now direct your attention to the home section. Here you will see an option labelled websites, or simply look for an add website button. Click on it and you're on your way to creating a new space online. When you hit the add website button, the next thing you'll see is a prompt asking you how you'd like to proceed with your new site. Hostinger offers a variety of options, but for this tutorial let's focus on using the Hostinger website builder. Click on this option to enter a world of creative possibilities that are made available to users to construct a site easily and professionally. The Hostinger website builder is intuitive and packed with features to customize your site's look and feel. At this stage you can select a template that suits your style or business needs and make tweaks as necessary. With drag and drop widgets, customizable layouts and various themes, creating a visually appealing and functional website becomes a walk in the park. As you continue building your website, remember that Hostinger has a dedicated support team and numerous resources if you encounter any hiccups along the way. They're always ready to help you troubleshoot or provide guidance to ensure your website is up and running smoothly. And there you have it, a solid start toward establishing your website on Hostinger. With just a few clicks and some creativity, you'll have your site ready in no time. Thank you for tuning in and happy website building.